Hey, welcome to Summit Racing. I'm Kerry. I just wanted to show you guys an awesome new tool we got. This thing's called the Summit Racing Surface Restorer. It's a roller pad that strips paint, rust, pretty much anything you got on your body or your car, or wood or stone or whatever. It's an awesome new tool. So this is it. Ours is a little bit dirty because we use it a lot. I just stripped the car with 3 layers of paint on it. I stripped the entire car with it. This thing is absolutely a lifesaver. It saves a ton of time and it leaves the metal looking brand new when you're done. So to kind of show you how it works, we decided we're going to use our Model A. It's seen better days. It's a little rusty. It's got some spots on it. So we're going to see how it'll make the metal on this thing look. And honestly, to me, for $99.99, you can't get a better tool. This thing is just killer. And you'll see why as soon as I do this. And the best thing is I can show you how it works on old metal, and as well as kind of, your surface rusted sheet metal as well, brand new stuff. Again, $99.99, it has a nice little wheel on it. This is the wheel that comes with it. You can also get anywhere from 40 to 300 grit up to even like Scotch-Brite grit wheels to put on this, and they're super easy to change. You just undo these, this flips up, and then you pull that out, put your new one on. Again, a great tool to have around the shop. So now that I've told you about it, let's see this thing in action. So now, before we do any work, what we gotta do is we have to make sure we have our proper safety equipment on. Got our Summit goggles, Summit face mask, and of course, the nice Summit kneeling pad. So now, it's time to get to work. Let's see how she does. All right, so as you can see, looks pretty good. Gets rid of all the old paint, gets rid of the rust. If I would have taken a little bit more time here on this spot, it would have looked like these spots, and it would have gotten rid of that rust and gone in the pores and actually scooped out the rust in the pores to stop it from rusting. So now that we've showed you how it works on the old rusty stuff, let's see how it works on this newer surface rusted metal. Remember, mask and goggles. All right, so as you can see, it works pretty awesome on bare metal too. So there's still some little pits in here, and if I would have worked a little harder, all that stuff can come out. This rust spot right here looked about like that from somebody leaning up against it and getting oil from your skin in it. But this cleans it right up, so it looks super nice. To me, this is literally the perfect tool to have around the shop. Check it out, go get one for yourself.